Removing a maple tree for a grandma. This lady has helped a lot of people in her life, so we decided to cut the maple tree down for free. It was hanging over her house, and every time it stormed it worried her, so we thought we'd cut it down. We cut 2 trees down for her for free. Now we're putting a cable in the top of the tree so we can hook it to the truck and pull the tree away from the house. This was a very large maple tree. We got the cable hooked up to the truck now, and we're ready to start cutting on this tree. We'll pull it away from the house. Now we're notching the tree so it'll fall in the direction we want it to. Now we're cutting the tree on the back side, and it'll fall right where we want it to, away from the house. Now the work begins trimming off all the limbs of the tree. We'll stack all these limbs on a brush pile and burn them in the winter. We'll cut the big pieces up into firewood. There he goes again. He thinks he's a squirrel.
Yeah.
Cutting the top out of the tree. We had 2 big brush piles from this tree and 3 trailer loads of firewood. Plus we got a free meal from Grandma. It was chicken and dumplings for dinner.
Oh, okay. Now I know where the coaster is. That's right.
There he goes. He just has to climb up on the tree. Quit fooling around, buddy, and get to work.
Well, I never did like Georgia.
That's more like it. Work a little quicker. Well, I hope you liked my video. Cutting a couple trees down for free to help out a nice grandma. It don't hurt to help other people, 'cause they've helped somebody in their life. The end.